Every exquisite journey begins with the deep roots of the earth. Here, the finest cacao seeds are nurtured by rich soil and the careful hands of farmers. The morning sun breathes life into this sustainable ecosystem, where nature and tradition coexist in perfect harmony to create the foundation of premium chocolate excellence. Behold the treasures of the forest. These vibrant pods, varying in hues of gold and crimson, are packed with the potential for world-class flavor profiles. Selection is an art form. Our farmers identify the exact moment of peak ripeness, ensuring that only the most flavorful fruit is chosen for our production. With precision and respect for the environment, each pod is harvested by hand. This meticulous approach preserves the health of the trees for generations to come. Baskets overflow with the harvest, representing months of hard work and natural growth. Each pod carries the unique signature of the land it was grown on. The pride of our growers is the secret ingredient. Their deep-rooted knowledge and passion ensure that every harvest meets the highest standards of quality. From the farm to the collection center, the journey gathers momentum. This community effort is the heartbeat of our sustainable and ethical supply chain process. The secret is revealed. Inside the rugged exterior lies the precious white pulp, protecting the beans that will soon transform into the world's favorite indulgence. These fresh beans are the starting point of flavor development. Their sweet, tangy coating is essential for the natural fermentation process that follows shortly. Fermentation is where the magic awakens. The beans are placed in tiered wooden boxes, allowing natural enzymes to begin the complex transformation of their flavor. Traditional methods remain supreme, but by covering the beans with fresh banana leaves, we create the perfect insulated environment for flavor precursors to develop naturally. As the temperature rises, the beans undergo a profound change. This natural heating process is crucial for removing bitterness and developing the desired chocolate notes. Consistency is key. Regular turning ensures even fermentation across all beans, allowing every single seed to reach its full aromatic potential during this vital stage. Notice the transition. The beans lose their white exterior and take on a rich, dark hue, signaling that the aromatic compounds have been successfully unlocked. Next, the beans move to the drying phase. Spread out on raised platforms, they bask in the tropical sun to reduce moisture and stabilize their quality. Sun drying is a gentle process. By raking the beans frequently, we ensure uniform drying and prevent any off flavors, maintaining the purity of the cacao's character. And under the watchful eye of the sun, the moisture evaporates, concentrating the essence of the cacao. The beans are now ready for their industrial transformation. This stage concludes the farm-side journey. From a simple fruit to a cured bean, the foundation of excellence is set before heading to our factory. The journey moves from the soil to the soul of innovation. Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility, where tradition meets the precision of modern technology. Inside, we maintain a pristine environment. Every machine is calibrated to perfection, ensuring that the integrity of our cacao is preserved through every technical step. The roasting process begins. Beans move seamlessly into our advanced roasting drums, where controlled heat will finalize the development of their signature chocolate aroma. Precision roasting is critical. We use specific temperature curves tailored to each batch, ensuring that the delicate floral and fruity notes are never lost. Watch the transformation as the beans darken and their shells become brittle. The air fills with a rich, intoxicating scent that defines our premium quality. Advanced sensors monitor every second of the roast. This data-driven approach guarantees consistency, so every bar of chocolate tastes exactly as our master chocolatiers intended. After roasting, the beans are winnowed. This machine gently cracks the beans and uses air currents to blow away the light shells, leaving only pure nibs. The separation must be absolute. By removing every trace of the husk, we ensure a smooth, grit-free texture and a pure, unadulterated cacao flavor profile. These are the cacao nibs, the heart of chocolate. Crunchy, intense, and packed with antioxidants, they are the pure essence of the original cacao fruit. Quality control is unrelenting. High-speed optical sensors scan every nib, instantly rejecting any piece that doesn't meet our strict color and size specifications. Perfectly cleaned and roasted, the nibs are now ready for the most dramatic change in their journey. They move forward into the grinding chamber. Grinding begins. The friction and pressure of heavy stone rollers break down the cell walls of the nibs, releasing the natural fats known as cocoa butter. The solid nibs transform into a flowing liquid known as chocolate liquor. This is a purely mechanical process with no additives, just pure cacao essence. The liquid gold flows. This intense, unsweetened base contains all the flavor, aroma, and richness of the beans we harvested back at the farm. Now we enter the conching phase. In these large tanks, the chocolate is continuously folded and aerated for hours, sometimes days, to refine its texture. Conching is about patience. This slow agitation removes any remaining unwanted acidic notes and ensures the particles are polished to a microscopic smoothness. Our experts check the progress constantly. Yet the chocolate must reach a specific silkiness that allows it to melt effortlessly the moment it touches the tongue. To achieve the perfect mouthfeel, we add a touch more of our own pure cocoa butter. This enhances the creaminess and gives the final bar its shine. Balances everything. We introduce precise amounts of organic sugar to harmonize the natural bitterness of the cacao, creating a sophisticated and balanced sweetness. Technology confirms the art. We measure the particle size in microns, ensuring it is far below what the human tongue can perceive as graininess. The chocolate is now fully refined. It is a masterpiece of texture and flavor, ready to be tempered and shaped into its final, elegant form. This lustrous liquid is the result of days of careful processing. It represents the pinnacle of our craftsmanship and our commitment to absolute purity. Tempering is the science of crystallization. We precisely control the temperature to align the cocoa butter molecules, ensuring a stable and beautiful finish. Yet correct tempering gives the chocolate its famous snap and prevents it from melting too easily in your hands, keeping it fresh for longer. The molds are ready. Each one is polished to ensure the chocolate releases perfectly, leaving a flawless surface that reflects our brand's attention to detail. Precision to the milligram. Our automated system fills each mold accurately, ensuring that every bar of chocolate is consistent in weight and composition. As the liquid settles, it takes on our identity. The logo etched into the mold becomes a mark of quality and a promise of excellence. We use vibration to eliminate any trapped air bubbles. This ensures a solid, dense structure and a smooth, professional appearance on every single bar produced. Purity is in the details. By removing air, we enhance the intensity of the flavor and the satisfying crunch when the chocolate is finally enjoyed. Into the cooling tunnel they go. A gentle, controlled descent in temperature allows the crystals to set firmly, locking in the shine and the snap. During these minutes, the liquid chocolate becomes a solid masterpiece. This transition is the final structural step in our complex manufacturing process. Demolding is a moment of triumph. The bars release with ease, revealing a deep mahogany color and a surface so smooth it looks like glass. The result is perfection. Every angle, every detail of the engraving is crisp and clear, reflecting the high standards of our premium brand. Efficiency meets elegance. Our robotic systems handle each bar with incredible speed and care, moving them into the final stage of protective packaging. The first layer of protection. Gold foil seals in the aroma and protects the chocolate from the elements, ensuring it reaches you in perfect condition. Our packaging is as premium as the product. Using sustainable, high-quality materials, we create an unboxing experience that reflects the luxury of the chocolate inside. The human touch remains essential. Every luxury box is inspected and finished by hand, adding a final layer of care to our artisanal production. From our factory to the world, these boxes carry with them the story of the farm, the passion of the workers, and the precision of technology. Hear the quality. That clean snap is the hallmark of perfectly tempered chocolate, the sound of a journey that has reached its peak of excellence. Experience the culmination of craftsmanship. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, a moment of pure indulgence that honors every step of our process. From farm to bar, we bring you the essence of cacao, experience the true taste of pure, premium chocolate. Excellence in every single bite.